Hello my students! So Miss Ucha will show you the tutorial video for our project next week. The project for next week is balloon stem painting. So this is the materials for our project. Food coloring, the plate for base, paper, and balloon. Okay, now Miss Ucha will show you how to paint with the balloon and with the food coloring. First, take the balloon and then stamp the balloon on the food coloring. After that, you tap on the plate and then stamp on the paper like this. Then we change the color. Tap again. You can tap in many places like this. It will make a good pattern like a firework, right? Okay, here. This, okay, again. Stamp again the color. Tap on it. Alright. Like this. After we've done, don't forget to clean up the table and then tidy up all the stuff. Thank you. Goodbye.